So let's learn how to use VS Code from scratch. So first, after you've downloaded and installed your VS Code, you open it. And then in order to be able to write your codes, you should be able to have a workspace or somewhere you keep your codes. So in that sense, we'll be creating a folder where we'll be keeping our codes. So I'm at my desktop and I'm creating a new folder. I'll name the folder website. So I come to my VS Code and I am able to drag and drop this folder in here. So automatically it opens the folder for me. And yes, I trust the artist. So there it is. But now we have the folder. But then, like we've always been saying, the codes are written in specific file formats. So for starters, we'll be using HTML. So come here, it says new file. This one says new document. It says refresh Explorer and then collapse folders in Explorer. So to get started, we'll be creating a new file because we'll be writing the codes in files. Now we come here and then name it index.html, and then we write the codes that we are supposed to write in here, and then we take it from there. I am using an extension, so when I type this, it comes automatically, and then we take it from here. So we can type hello, and then I use my live server, and then it opens the hello for me. So that's me creating my first web page. Thank you.